So let's look at the site PVC assembly. You click Site, Create, New, and then this is going to be a lot of new features added to this assembly. So you can have a cost for drilling your pole bases on here, trenching per foot, your equipment cost, fuel cost. We have price to pour the pole bases, labor for trenching, concrete, number of poles, cubic yards, all this stuff, delivery fee, all your stub ups, everything that's your name. We have a online calculator right here that will pop up and let you know just how many yards you need of concrete. So it should be very helpful. You have a little breakout here, this kind of, if you wanted to print it out and have it, tells you how much trenching that you'll have and various items, how much concrete. Just kind of a breakout. This lets you choose your 90s or rigid 90s, previous C9s, all these other choices. So I hope this helps speed your estimate up and include everything under the site. So a lot of this was included before manually, but now you can include it in the site. So I hope it helps. Have a blessed day.